নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, আপোনালোক সকলোকে ষ্টাডি উইথ মৃগাং মনু ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো। আজি শিকাব মোৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট ইংলিছ গ্ৰামাৰ। প্ৰশ্ন
Simple present tense formula subject plus verb or verb 1 plus subject. Simple present tense formula. Ito muna rahiba. Example 1. I play cricket. I to is a subject, play to is a verb or verb 1, cricket to is a object. অসমীয়াত ক'লে example I play cricket. I to is a subject, play to is a verb or verb 1, cricket to is a object. অসমীয়াত ক'লে মই ক্ৰিকেট খেলো। মই to is a subject, cricket to is a object আৰু খেলোটো হৈছে verb or verb 1. Example 2. I eat rice. I to is a subject, eat to is a verb or verb 1, rice to is a object. আৰু অসমীয়াত ক'লে মই ভাত খাওঁ। মই to is a subject plus ভাত to is a object plus খাওঁ to is a verb or verb 1. Simple past tense formula subject plus verb or verb 2 plus subject. Example 1. I came yesterday. I to is subject আৰু came to is verb 2, yesterday to is object. আসামিছত কয় মই যোৱাকালি আহিছিলো। মই to is subject যোৱাকালি to is object আৰু আহিছিলো to is verb 2. Now example 2. I played hockey. I to is subject, played to is verb 2, hockey to is object আৰু মই হকি খেলিছিলো। মইটো হৈছে subject, হকি to হৈছে object, খেলিছিলো to হৈছে verb 2.
Simple future tense formula subject plus shall oblique will plus verb 1 plus object. Example 1. I will watch video. মই ভিডিও চাম। I to হৈছে subject, formula মতে আমি use will to add কৰিলো আৰু watch to হৈছে v1 plus video তে object. মই to হৈছে subject, video to হৈছে object, চাম to হৈছে verb 1. Example 2. You to হৈছে subject, formula মতে add কৰিলো will আৰু add to হৈছে v1 plus rise to হৈছে object. তুমি eat আৰু eat to হৈছে verb 1, rise to হৈছে object. তুমি to হৈছে subject, verb to হৈছে object, cover to হৈছে v1.
Present continuous tense formula subject plus formula subject plus oblique is oblique are plus v1 plus ing plus object. Example 1. I to is a subject, am to says formula not choice v1 আৰু ing to is ing